Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 5. In lesson 5, we are going to look at sound O. Sound O. So now, we are going to connect sound O with the consonants and then we come up with the syllables. Listen. Bow, bow, call, do, fall, go, ho, jo, call, low, mo, no, po, ro, so, to, vo, wo, yo, zo. Repeat the syllables. Repeat the syllables and make sure you repeat after me, okay? Okay, that is very good. So right now, let us try to form words using these syllables and the sounds that we learned in the previous lesson. Let us continue. Bo, bo. Box, box, tall, tall, poo, top, top, dog, dog, rope, 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 fox, 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 jog, 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 song, 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 host, 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 log, 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 salty, salty, salt, potty, potty, pot, lock, 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 sorry, 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 rock, 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 long, long, stop, rot, rot, hot, 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 vote, vote, vote. You see? So we have tried to create some words from these syllables. Now, I want to give you a task. Try to make more words using these syllables and the sounds that we learned in the previous lesson. So right now, let us do an exercise about sound O. Let us continue. I want you to pause this video and then you write the answers. After writing the answers, come back and check for the answers. Okay, you can start. Okay, so now let us do together and make sure you check your answers. Now this is bo. So it becomes bone. Box. So it becomes box. Bond. So it becomes bond. Boss. So it becomes boss. You see? So If you have these answers, then that is correct. You are right. Then we also have taught. So we will have taught. Top. Top. Toes. Toss. You see? So if you've got this, then you are right. Okay? Thank you. Let us move to lesson number 6.